My name is Kaitlyn Speer, and I work for Liberty Global Liberty Asia, which is an international NGO based in Hong Kong. We work to combat human trafficking. We do this in a number of different ways, but my program, Operational Research and Analysis Program, does this by doing research on large-scale cases of transnational illicit activities, including forced labor, human trafficking, and wildlife trafficking. We then make this information available to financial service providers. Our work is key in bridging the gap between the private sector and civil society by facilitating the flow of information that might help reduce exploitation of victims. There are many gaps in the anti-trafficking sector, whether that be lack of funding, lack of manpower, lack of resources, or lack of technological solutions they can implement to better serve their clients. One of the ways that we can address these gaps is by implementing and leveraging technological solutions in the anti-trafficking sector. Liberty Global does this with a few of our programs. One of those is the Victim Case Management System, which is a cloud-based platform that we bring to NGOs so that they can better capture and store information on their clients. We also have an information, data, and collaboration program. This program seeks to utilize open source information to find suspect data on suspects who have been charged, arrested, or convicted for cases of trafficking, and then facilitating the flow of that information to third-party database providers, providing key information to financial institutions, as well as better utilizing information that NGOs have on the ground. Databases like BVD's Orbis and other available technology products and research products that are available are key in helping us identify ownership structures and identifying those entities that might have a stake in many different geographic regions. This helps us continue to build out a case that might be useful to financial service providers. It also brings in further information on vessels that might be hard to track just using typical open source research techniques.